CDT stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Conduit Pharmaceuticals is 13% down, which is quite a bit. Now, I'm going to look at it from a broader picture just because people are very ultra focused on the micro, which I'm more so, I want to be on the macro. I've done 39,000 videos more than anyone else in the game, and my genuine thoughts on this is that beforehand, I mean, I made my predictions and it was bearish. So it was made like right here. I have proof obviously to demonstrate. It was 8th of February. Not only that, I before that had a crazy little short sale. Even here after the runner, you know, after even this runner, I said this is a bearish market for me. And guess who was correct?
But for the short side, it's like exactly this. So if you want,
right, and boom, this is exactly what happened. So we kept melting, bro. This crashed, and again, here's who did manage to call it out. Obviously me. It's not like I'm ranting here. I'm just showing you, like, demonstrating, and the likelihood that this thing will just keep melting is still quite high since we're in this range as of right now. So it's obviously not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce.